Video Ranking Academy 2.0 by Sean Cannell is one of the best online courses you can take to learn and master YouTube. I want to share with you the results that I have got from the Video Ranking Academy course. When I first started out on YouTube, I had no idea what I was doing. I was getting little to no views on my videos. I was getting 40 to 50 views on all my videos every single day. And I had no idea how to get more views until I joined the Video Ranking Academy course, where I learned how to optimize my videos so that I can get more views and rank my videos in search. Now, when you're first starting out on YouTube and you have no clue how to increase the views on your videos, it may seem a bit daunting and you may feel like you're losing motivation. But if you stick with it and you find mentors like Sean Cannell to look up to, who are getting the results that you want to get, and you can learn from them. Sean has so many videos on YouTube, and he has an amazing free YouTube Masterclass that you can check out. It's an hour of Sean helping you understand how YouTube works and how you can get more views on your videos. This is where I send everyone who tells me that they want to start YouTube. It's the best foundation that you can get to get you started thinking about creating a YouTube channel, building an audience, and learning how you can make money on YouTube. I'll leave you a link in the description below so that you can check it out and learn from a master like Sean who's got the results on YouTube, so that you can look up to a mentor like this and follow in his footsteps how he's created an audience and monetized it on YouTube. I want to share with you the results that I got from what I've learned within the Video Ranking Academy course. I started the course on the 6th of December 2018, and have a look at what happened to my views and watch time on my videos. You can see that as I started to implement what I was learning in Video Ranking Academy, my views and watch time started to ramp up dramatically. Within a few weeks of me implementing what I was learning in the Video Ranking Academy course to my channel, I started to see my views ramp up from 40 to 50 views a day up to 100, then to 200 and even 300 views a day. Within 3 months, I hit the 1,000 views a day mark. Now for me, this was amazing, to go from 40 to 50 views a day and within a short period of 3 months, get to that mark of 1,000 views a day. It really shows you what you learn in the Video Ranking Academy course is so valuable for a new creator on YouTube. If you can implement what Sean teaches within his course, I promise you, you'll see results quicker than you think. If you're interested in the best way to get started for free on YouTube, then you need to check out Sean Cannell's free YouTube Masterclass, where he teaches you 3 strategies for growing your audience and income on YouTube. I'll leave you a link to this free masterclass in the description below. For those of you that are a bit more serious about YouTube and are interested in the advanced training offered by Sean Cannell and the tools and techniques that he talks about, I'll give you more of an insight into how his Video Ranking Academy course is structured and what kind of things he teaches within the course. The online course Video Ranking Academy is made up of 7 modules, 32 videos, and over 16 hours of quality content. The first thing that I always look for in an online course is, has the course creator got the results that I want to achieve? Are they walking the walk, or are they just talking about it? Have they got the tangible results that I want to achieve from taking this course? And as you'll see by Sean's YouTube channel, he's got the results that he talks about. He's ranking videos for highly competitive keywords. And you can too, by learning from the master inside the Video Ranking Academy course. Here is one of his videos that has more than 2.9 million views and is ranking in YouTube search for some really competitive search terms. The curriculum covered in this course is the best that I've seen about YouTube and ranking videos on YouTube. The quality of the videos are great and make it easy to stay focused on the content because you don't lose interest like you can with a poor quality production course. Sean's teaching style is amazing and you can see it in the results that his students get. The price is a bit steep and expensive, but once you're inside the course, you'll start to get results like I did, and you'll see how worth it the course really is. I made the cost of the course back after just 6 months of taking the course. If you're still not sure, there is a 30-day risk-free money-back guarantee on the course if you're not satisfied after you join. So who is Sean Cannell and what is his background? Sean is a best-selling author of the YouTube Secrets book. He's a YouTuber and a digital entrepreneur who has built an amazing online brand and business using YouTube. Sean got started on YouTube making videos for his church in 2003. Now he runs the YouTube channel Think Media and Video Influencers. To find out more about Sean's story and to check out his free YouTube training, I'll leave you a link in the top left that you can check this out. This is the best place to start if you're serious about growing your YouTube channel. Sean will show you the 3 strategies that will help you grow your audience and income on YouTube in this free YouTube Masterclass. So what are the advantages of the Video Ranking Academy? The course goes into great detail and breaks down the complicated parts of YouTube, helping you understand how the algorithm works and how you can start ranking your own videos. Get more views on your videos and start growing your YouTube audience. The training is a step-by-step how to create videos that people want to watch and then how to rank them in YouTube search so that you get the views that you deserve. Sean has a proven strategy that works. He's got results and so many of his students have now got the same results. If you follow this course, you will get the results. I have documented the results that I got from when I started my channel to implementing what I learned inside of Video Ranking Academy. There's such an awesome community around Video Ranking Academy. They've created a Facebook group which is so awesome. It's so nice to have a community that you can ask questions and discuss how things are going and learn from each other. There are such amazing bonuses that Sean has included in the Video Ranking Academy. These bonuses are Growth Video, Social Media Accelerator, a guide to maximize your income with YouTube, and a guide to social media mastery. What I've found is it's really nice to have a support group where you can ask questions and have queries and just bounce ideas off of. So what I have done is I've created a specific community and group to support you through your Video Ranking Academy journey. If you join the Video Ranking Academy through my affiliate link in the description below, then I'm going to give you special support. So we do one live streaming video a month with the community where we chat and discuss how things are going, what kind of videos you're creating, the video ideas that you're thinking about using, and how the ranking of your videos is going. This is a really, really useful additional bonus that you can get if you use my affiliate link, and I've found it just really nice to have that extra support when you need to chat to someone who's been through the course, got the results that Sean talks about, so you know exactly what the person's done. You can see their results and they can help you through the process with any barriers or boundaries that you're finding. And this support group can help you if you get stuck along the way and you need to ask any questions or queries, or you just need that little bit of help or encouragement to keep going. So what are the disadvantages of Video Ranking Academy? There is a lot of content. There are so many videos in this course. There's 16 hours of lessons. Sean has packaged so much information into this course. It is amazing value, but you will need to be committed to growing your YouTube channel. If you're fully committed and ready to invest this time to create and grow a business, then great. If you're looking for a quick solution, then unfortunately Video Ranking Academy cannot be that quick solution for you. The price tag for this course is expensive and it's a lot of money to invest. You just need to decide if it's worth it. Are you going to be fully committed to watching all the lessons and then taking action and implementing what you've learned within the lessons? It took me 6 months to make the cost back of the course for my YouTube channel, but everything after that is all now profit. And what I've learned in the Video Ranking Academy course is priceless to me and my online business. Just to give you a quick content summary of what's inside the Video Ranking Academy, there's a welcome lesson, and then there's a fast start bonus, which is really nice to get you making money on your channel really quickly. Module 1 is to reverse engineer your YouTube success. Module 2 is research the right way, where he breaks down how to research your video ideas. Module 3 is record the ultimate video framework. Module 4 is release your video the right way. Module 5 is rank your video. Module 6 is the rapid revenue. And Module 7 is repeat and rocket to success. If you want to find out a bit more about Sean and his channels, I'll link to them here and here, and you can check out his channels and find out a bit more about it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and leave me a comment if you have any questions or queries. Good luck with your YouTube journey, and we'll see you in the next video.